This is a unboxing of a telescope. I think this is one of the Skywatcher ones. Yeah, I was right. This is the Infinity 76 millimeter telescope that is really lovely. It's like a Astroscan 2000, which the late American company Edmund Scientific used to sell. That was quite pricey. This one has a parabolic mirror, and I saw the moment I saw it, I thought that, oh, I have to get it for the kids. They will love this. And as you see, it's here. Okay. Okay, I have to take this out and let you see. Okay, this is the stand of it, and this is the actual telescope, and it stands on that. You can hold it around your neck exactly like the Astroscan. It has 2 eyepieces and 1 border lens. It's like this. It's cute. And you have to lift that thingy. When you lift it, it comes like that. So the kid can take it in their lap like this. Turn it around, and that's the mirror, parabolic mirror. You can put it on the table with that stand that I showed you. And this is for the eyepiece. As you can see, you put the eyepiece here. It's a lovely little easy to work telescope. And 76 millimeter, quite nice. This is a Barlow lens. Oh no, that's a good lens. It's wide angle, 30 times. I think this is the 25 millimeter. This must be the 10. And this must be a Barlow. And beautiful telescope, shaped like a penguin or shaped like a little rocket. Spaceship, huh? You like it? This is the first time I see Susan likes a telescope. Yeah, it's lovely for the kids. Easy to use, you know, it doesn't have anything heavy, dangerous, you know, metal bars and metal weights, masses. It's easy to work. Okay, this is the telescope, Skywatcher Infinity. And the amazing view of this that I had with this of the M42 and the moon. Probably I had with this telescope with a lot of targeting and not very as straightforward as this. And I must say the best view of the M42, the widest view, with the 15x, 15 times magnification, was with this telescope. To have such a view, I have to spend a lot of money on the expensive eyepieces for this, which I have spent already. And this one does that in a cheap package. I've read some bad reviews about this, and I've really expected something horrible. This is the best telescope I can tell that you can have. It's easy to target, it's easy to find, and it's really easy to actually, you know, it's powerful, it's really good. The magnification, you can go up to 50 times, but with the lower power you can see more actually, because the deeper sky objects like M42 and the Andromeda Galaxy Nebula is much easier in a wide angle view, and this telescope can give that. And I'm looking at that direction in the sky, and I've found the M42 beautifully preserved. I don't know how I can get it to show you, but I will try anyway. Probably around, yeah, a lot of telescopes I have, and from any size, big you can see. I have the smallest. This is a toy telescopes I have. It reminds me of the Astroscan telescope that I used to have when I was a kid at Edmund Scientific. The red one, famous bowl. And this one is similar to that. But the reach field of this, oh God, is amazing. This is the richest field I've ever seen in a telescope. I love this. I'm going to give this for the grandchildren, but I'm going to buy one for myself also. I don't want to give it away so easily. It's such a rich field telescope. Such gentle touch when you want to turn it. Just touch this ball, this beautiful shaped ball. You just change it a little bit, turn it a little slightly. With this one, you have to adjust the alt azimuth. This. Oh no, that's the one for me. I love it. I don't know what those horrible reviewers were telling. I don't think they knew anything about astronomy. This is the best thing if you have. You have to be a little bit more, knowledgeable and vigilant in what we are looking for. It's beautiful. It's practically a finder scope. And you can go for the high magnification, use it as a telescope, normal for high magnification. But low magnification, brilliant. I love it. And it's not a spherical mirror inside it. The mirror inside is actually a parabolic. It doesn't have any coma aberration. It doesn't have a coma-free telescope. It's a toy telescope, coma-free. Now I have changed the eyepiece to the 50 times, and as you can see, it's so easy to find the target back. With this one, if you lose the target, you have to fiddle with it for half an hour just to find it. This, of course, is a go-to. You can use the go. But with this one, it's so gentle, you can push it, and it brings it back again. Oh, I love this telescope. I think it's not for the kids, just adults can use this. Oh! I can barely see the trapezium of the Orion Nebula, that famous asterism. These are several stars which are really at the heart of the M42, and they are very bright, very young and bright stars, and they're very close together. They're kind of, we call it binary stars or multiple stars, and they're very close. With this one, I can see them. I can individually see 3 of them with the 50 times magnification. It's not a toy, and it's so easy when you use this part. You think these flaps of the penguin are just as a toy. It's not. They're like handles that you can hold and just turn the telescope. Looking at the moon with this 50 times magnification eyepiece, and I could see the Alpine Valley. That's a challenge for any normal telescope. It was very cold. This is a video of the moon through a double glazed window in our living room. At the same time, it's a very wide angle, 20 millimeter eyepiece, and a tiny Skywatcher Infinity 76 telescope. You can call it a fun scope as a toy. As you can see, I can get a lot of details. If I slightly cover the moon itself, the bright side, you can see the earth shine.